Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on INFINIX Smart 8. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now you have to click on manage your Google account and then click on data and privacy. Now scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. And now your account has been deleted, so now let's restore your account and you can open Google Play Store, for example, and then click sign in. And now enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover my account I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. Now click more and accept. And as you can see, I'm logged in again into my Google account and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.